To make Irish Boxty, first wash your hands. Then wash and dry red potatoes. Place them onto a baking tray and use a fork to make holes in the skin. Ask a grown-up to put the tray into the oven. Whilst these potatoes are baking, take some more peeled, uncooked potato pieces and grate them. Then tip the grated potato into a bowl. When your baked potatoes have cooked and cooled, twist them open with your hands. Use a spoon to scoop the potato out of the skin and put it into a plastic food bag. Mash the potato with your hands. Now add the mashed potato to the grated potato in the bowl. Add a pinch of salt and 3 or 4 twists of black pepper. Pick the leaves of 3 sprigs of fresh rosemary and add them to the bowl, then give it all a good mix. Crack an egg, check it for eggshell, whisk it with a fork and add it to your potato mixture. Don't forget to wipe your hands after handling raw eggs. Mix the potato and egg mixture together. Use a pastry brush and vegetable oil to oil 2 Yorkshire pudding trays. Now scoop your potato mixture into the cups on one of the trays, just like this. Ask a grown-up to put this tray into the oven for you. Crack 4 more eggs and check them for eggshell. Then tip them into the other Yorkshire pudding tray, just like this. Don't forget to wipe your hands after handling raw eggs. Ask a grown-up to put this tray into the oven for you as well. Next, mash some tinned corned beef with a fork onto a plate. Then use scissors to carefully cut up a small handful of fresh parsley. Ask a grown-up to take the cooked potato and eggs out of the oven and leave them to cool slightly. And when they are cool enough to handle, ask them to help you make each boxty by putting corned beef onto the potato base. Adding an egg on top, chopped parsley, and you can even add sliced tomatoes to eat with it. Delicious. This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.